So, magandang hapon. Bumisita nga pala ako sa RCBC nung kailan ba yun? Friday? Parang Friday or Thursday. Binigyan ako ng gift sa RCBC. Ayan, Sir Felix Pagikan. Ayan, RCBC, CDO, Masterson. Okay. So this is my second, this is my first gift. Third gift pala, third gift ng first gift for 2025, 2025 na binigay ito. So hulaan mo kung ano to.
Bag.
Ha?
Bag.
Bag? Shoulder bag? Mag-shoulder bag ako rito?
I don't know. Shoulder bag is big.
Atras sa rito gamay. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung ano to. Kang nick shoulder bag. Ang akin, load bag. Ewan ko. Parang load bag or ano kaya to?
Something.
Ha?
Something square.
Something square?
Yeah.
Square but comfy.
It's a color.
Comfy siya. Kuya, what is this? What is your
bag?
What bag?
Yun, maliit.
Maliit na bag? Let me see kung... sa'yo, Nick, ano sa'yo?
It's a bag. No! It's a...
What?
I think a t-shirt.
T-shirt?
Yeah.
No. Okay, you is a t-shirt. Kuya Ethan is a maliit na bag. For me, I think this is eco bag, let me say. So we'll start unboxing for this. So anyway, thank you so much sa RCBC Uptown. Tingnan natin ano to.
Okay.
Dito palayo, dito Nick. Nick, palayo ka. Tingnan natin. Something different. What is that? Color bag.
It's a t-shirt.
No. There is a...
It's a bag.
There is a...
It's a bag. Or it's a bag.
Tingnan natin.
It's a bag.
What is this? Oh. Tingnan natin.
It's some
Palayo ka konti, Nick. Para makita, Nick.
Bag yan.
Palayo ka konti. What is this?
Pouch.
Okay.
Bag talaga.
Ano nang baon? Food warmer. Food,
It's a food.
food warmer bag. See? It's what is this? Inside. So this one. See? RCBC. So anyway, thank you so much RCBC Masterson. No, sa kanilang manager dyan. Hindi ko na lang babanggitin yung mga manager nila dyan. So maraming salamat sa inyo for this 2025 Christmas 2024 Christmas gift. Anyway, so this is a good because there is some what is this? Pocket for
Utensils.
utensils here. You put the spoon or whatever you put. Okay. See? And if you want, so this is a double purpose. You can use like this also. You can put it in the, see? So double purpose. So anyway, thank you so much and God bless RCBC. God bless you more, RCBC Masterson. Ayan. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin. Alam na ninyong lahat kung sino kayo nandyan. Ba't wala silang kalendar ngayon? Sila ang humingi sa akin ng kalendar. Sabi ko wala na yung kalendar. Naubos na nung ano pa. Anyway, so maraming salamat and God bless po.